In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete API tokens in Hostinger. If you want to remove an old or unused API token from your Hostinger account, the process is very quick and straightforward. Deleting tokens you no longer need is a good security habit because it helps reduce unnecessary access and keeps your account cleaner and easier to manage. To begin, log into your Hostinger account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the sidebar menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your account and tools. In the sidebar, find the area related to developer features, then click on API under the DevTools section. This will open the part of Hostinger where your API access settings are managed. After the API page loads, you'll see a panel dedicated to API tokens. This section is where Hostinger displays the tokens connected to your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you can identify the token you want to remove. If you have more than one token, it's a good idea to double-check before deleting anything, especially if one of the tokens is still being used in an app, script, or integration. Once you've found the token you want to delete, look for the trash icon next to it. The trash icon is the delete option. Click that icon to remove the token from your account. Depending on the interface, you may be asked to confirm the deletion. If that happens, simply approve the action to continue. After the token is deleted, it should disappear from the list. That's how you know the removal was successful. Keep in mind that once an API token is deleted, anything using that token will no longer be able to access your Hostinger account through the API. So before deleting it, make sure it's no longer needed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an API token in Hostinger. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to review your API tokens regularly and remove any that are outdated or no longer in use. This helps keep your account secure and organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.